Tricoat Toyota paint is one of the hardest to color match. I got mine from Spectrum Paints. They only sell them as touch-up pens and spray cans. I started by blending V-sides first with the ground coat. Then I applied the mid-coat pearls. After 2 coats of pearls, I was surprised how accurate the paint matches. Then I finished with 2 coats of clear with a spray gun. The results were amazing. I couldn't believe how good it looks. Thank you, Spectrum.